Opening hook, the awakening moment. Every day, money moves, silently. While some people are watching Netflix, others are watching the markets. Some are earning interest, others are paying it. The difference between the rich and everyone else isn't luck, it's understanding. And today, in just under an hour, you're going to understand everything you need to know about finance and investing. The blueprint that the wealthy quietly follow and schools never teach. Introduction. The map to financial mastery. Before we dive in, let's get one thing clear. Finance is not about money, it's about control over your time, your choices, your future. In this video, we'll break down the entire world of finance into simple layers. 1. Personal finance, your foundation. 2. Investing, how money multiplies. 3. The psychology of wealth, how mindset drives results. By the end, you'll see the world and your wallet completely differently. Part 1. Understanding personal finance. The foundation. Let's start where wealth truly begins, with personal finance. Think of your finances as a tree. Your income is the sunlight, your expenses are the wind, and your habits are the roots. If the roots are weak, the tree will fall. So your first mission is to master these 5 principles. 1. Spend less than you earn. It sounds simple, but most don't. 2. Track every dollar. What you don't measure, you can't improve. 3. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. 4. Pay off bad debt, especially high-interest credit. 5. Invest early. Time is your biggest ally. According to a 2023 CNBC survey, over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Not because they don't make enough, but because they don't manage enough. Part 2, the art of investing, making money work for you. Now, once your foundation is solid, it's time to make your money work. Here's where investing enters. The rich don't trade time for money. They trade money for time. There are 4 main investment paths. 1. Stocks, ownership in companies. 2. Bonds, lending money to governments or corporations. 3. Real estate, land and property that produce cash flow. 4. Businesses, the ultimate wealth engine. The key isn't chasing trends, it's understanding value. Warren Buffett once said, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." Every investment should answer one question: will this put money back into my pocket without me working harder for it? Example story. In 2010, a young investor bought $1,000 worth of Apple stock. By 2023, that same $1,000 became over $13,000 without lifting a finger. That's the power of compounding. Money earning money. Part 3. The psychology of wealth. The mind game. Now here's the truth. Finance is 80% mindset, 20% mechanics. You can give 2 people the same paycheck. One becomes broke, the other becomes wealthy. The difference? How they think about money. The poor see money as something to spend. The rich see money as something to grow. Let's take an example. A man earns $2,000 per month. If he invests just $300 monthly into an index fund earning 8%, in 20 years he'll have over $165,000. That's the quiet power of discipline, not lottery wins or lucky breaks. Remember, the market rewards patience, not panic. Part 4. Building generational wealth. Legacy over luxury. True wealth isn't measured in cars or clothes, but in freedom and legacy. Generational wealth means your children start where you left off, not where you began. It's not just about making money, it's about making it last. Invest in assets that outlive you. Real estate, businesses, education, and wisdom. Because knowledge is the only compound interest the economy can't crash. Part 5. The blueprint. Recap. Let's recap. Control your spending. Invest wisely. Master your mindset. Build for the future. These are not secrets. They're systems. And once you understand them, the game changes forever. The next step. If you've watched this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people. But knowledge without action means nothing. So start today, not next week. Budget, invest, learn, grow. And if you're serious about unlocking your financial potential, subscribe to NextGen because this is just the beginning of your wealth journey. Remember, you don't need to be born rich. You just need to start thinking rich.